Hey guys, it's Alyshia and welcome back to my channel. Every month I always really enjoy providing you guys with journal prompts. And today I'm going to do that too. But in order to shake things up a bit, I also thought it would be fun to first share with you guys my new manifestation journal. Then number 2, provide you guys with the prompts. And then number 3, to wrap up this video, I also thought it would be fun for you guys to have 5 minutes where you could journal along with me. Let's get started. All right, number 1 is my manifestation journal. I have said in past videos that I like to write out my top 10 goals every day as if I have already achieved them. But now, in addition to this, still doing that, I am now writing out full journal entries of just manifesting my goals and my dreams into one specific journal. Basically, what we are doing is we have this dream, we have this desire, we have this goal, and we are seeing it become a reality, and we are journaling it as if it already has come true. Not only should you journal it in this way, but you should also believe that it actually is going to happen, and of course, put in the action, put in the work in order to make it happen. All right, now moving right along, let's get into the journal prompts.
Number 1, where do I see myself in 6 months? Number 2, how do I define success? Number 3, what does my dream life look like? Number 4, what would make me happy in this present moment? Number 5, how can I de-stress when I need to? Number 6, what drains my energy? Number 7, what gives me energy? Number 8, what are 3 affirmations that I should start saying to myself? Number 9, I am grateful for. Number 10, are you living in a way that reflects who you want to be? Number 11, in order to get where you would like to be, what do you need to let go of? Number 12, how can I make tomorrow better? Number 13, name a highlight in your day. Number 14, how am I feeling in this present moment? Number 15, what does a self-care day look like to me?
As always, you will be able to find those journal prompts in the description of this video. And as for those who are interested in journaling along with me, stick around because that is what we are doing now.